Folarium is a business-ready software and business solution provider. Folarium is located in Jakarta, Indonesia, offering fully fledged services for software development and engineering, empowering effective nearshore management to its clients. Folarium established to provide leading-edge intelligent technical solutions and consulting services to businesses. We deliver high-value, innovative solutions by bridging the gap between business and technology. Folarium is specialized in the business process management software industry, providing automation and solutions products in the field. We also have special expertise in custom software development, providing specialized products, IT services and custom end-to-end solutions to our enterprise customers. We are business-to-business applications and business-to-client applications. We gain competitive advantage from these distinctive capabilities and have developed the ability to implement and manage complex IT systems in changing times with greater effectiveness than many competitors. We are satisfied clients around the globe bear testimony to the quality of our work.